When the night settles over the castle, the world shifts. Light awakens. Creatures stir. And winter weaves its spell. A moment where everything pauses, as if the world is holding its breath. Fire moves through the dark, spreading its quiet magic.